absolutely never the wrong time to clean your washing machine. Washing machine cleaner by Tide is really made for the part of the laundry no one thinks about. If the washer isn't clean, your clothes never really are. The opinions in this review are mine, based on my real use, but the product was provided by the brand. What I liked about these when they were tested, the powder packets fully dissolve, okay? So the cleaner actually circulated in the washing machine instead of just sitting at the base of the drum. These little packets here, they reached odor-causing buildup in places you can't see. Even if you clean that rim, the rubber, like you can't see it. This is gonna get in the hoses. It's gonna get in the seals. It's really gonna get in the basin, okay? And it works in front load and in top load. No extra steps. Open it up, dump it in. I dump it in the basin, okay? Not in the soap dish, in the basin. Why this one stands out? I know there's tons of options. This stands out. Three reasons. It's designed for monthly maintenance. You don't just use this in an emergency. If you got a stink, you can use it, but you need to use this continuously. It is a simple one packet routine. It's going to keep that washer from getting the stanky funk smell in the first place. And this one is backed by Tide's long track record in cleaning. This one consistently performs. Highly recommend.